Of this beautiful and wonderful creature who has missed this Behdeinkhlam festival with Behdeinkhlam and the em Girong Jiwat Kre Yung No the Girong Yaki the em Berbagi Yaki Nyabari
Well, this is my second visit here. I have come before, and every time I come here, I see it get better and better. And the way the people have come together to really be part of the festival, it's a wonderful sight and a wonderful feeling. And for us as a government, we have always believed that this is the true identity of the people of our state. This is what makes us who we are. This is our culture. And it is very important that we keep it alive. It is very important that we pass it on to our generations. And therefore, ensuring that it is celebrated with the right spirit, and also ensuring that the participation is there from the people is very, very important. So I take this opportunity to wish everyone a very happy Behdeinkhlam festival. And as we know that this is a festival which is meant to ward off all the evils or diseases that are there, and in the new sense, all the kind of bad vibes that are there. So therefore, it is a lot of deep meaning, even in today's world and today's society. So therefore, it's a very meaningful festival, and as I said, a very important part of our culture. I am very keen as a government to support and to further improve the infrastructure for festivals like these. Very soon, I will be announcing a program and a scheme specially meant to promote different aspects of the religious cultural aspect and the history of the different religious groups in our state, whether it's the Seinraij, SAKHI, or the Christian religious groups, or any other religious group. We are here to support and to be able to create different aspects like museums, like historical facts and cultures. All of this will be done. Just recently I was speaking to our Presbyterian church leaders who had mentioned about putting up a museum in the memory of Thomas Jones. And so under the same scheme, we'll be taking up those museums, and for the Catholic Church also, as well as for other denominations in other places, and also for our own traditional religion and the Seinraij and the SAKHI and other religious organizations that are there. We'll be supporting them in the days to come.